Okay, you guys, I broke out the big washerboard this time. Great light. I broke out the big washerboard. I wrote a bunch of information to show you about how you literally are the Father from beginning, how you are perfect from beginning, okay, and how you're already in heaven here upon the earth. And I'm going to show this more with the dice. Did you know how the dice tie to the Fibonacci sequence? They actually show your birth from beginning. You're the Fibonacci, okay? So let me turn this around and I'll show you some more about the Fibonacci and how it acts with the dice, where your elephants come into play, where your sperm and your eggs come into play, and we'll do some gematria as well with some numbers to show how the numbers even help us connect the dots. So let me turn this around. Okay, and here we have our dice, okay, because we're on Paradise Earth and we're the birds of paradise, okay, and we're also Neo, okay, we're the one from beginning. Okay, and I did these dice here because these are the blueprint. The dice are a template. Okay, so from this you will get a black cube, which is for your Saturn, and then you'll get your white stone. Okay, and this white stone is mentioned in Revelation. This is your cube of Revelation. This ties to your keypad for your 1 through 9. Okay, and this also ties to your white stone of Revelation. This is your black rock, and this is found in your Old Testament. Okay, this is the Star of David. Okay, the black stone of Saturn. Okay, Saturn is the Star of David. Okay, so I've wrote a bunch of information out here. I've done the Fibonacci sequence for you. Okay, showing how you're actually the number one from beginning. Okay, and this number one here is concerning the zygote, because this is the number one. The zygote, which is the fertilized egg, this is the symbol of the sun in astrology, and this is also a 10. Okay, and I've shown you before how you can take a circle that's flat and you can turn it this way and it can also become 11. Okay, and here we have the circle, the sphere, okay, and we have it becoming fertilized with the pole, okay, mother's ring with the pole, and this is how we get Satan from beginning. So Satan is from beginning, okay, and the 0 is the Holy Spirit. So the Holy Spirit over here is also the 0. Okay, and the 0 equals 15. That equals 6 for the material realm. Man's number is 6 for the number of man. Okay, and this is also where you get your moon tag, because man is tied to the moon, and your moon is 6, as well as 13, 28, 216, 57. There's multiple values for moon that can be found in gematria. Okay, and so A is number 1. A is also number 10. Okay, because the 0, when we write 10 and we do our gematria, the 0 can disappear. Okay, so pertaining to A, that is the alpha, he is number 1 from beginning. Okay, and that's why your alphabet has A for the first letter. This is A for alpha, your first letter from beginning, 10. Okay, and then it makes a copy of itself. Okay, and this is where your dice comes into play. You're the alpha, and you make a copy of yourself, and you get your block, which then rolls over. Okay, so you've got your 2 little blocks for your Fibonacci, which is your 2 dice. Okay, and these roll over. Okay, and they roll over again, they roll over again, and then we get our 21. Now keep in mind, you've got 21 on the die, okay, and you've got your 33 void for your 54 sun. This is your completion here, okay? And then you've got your 21 plus 13. Okay, so I had to go back and correct this because I had wrote down the wrong number. That's why it's good to double check your math too. Okay, so you've got your 21 plus 13, and that comes to your 3 and 4, 7 for king. Okay, 7 for king, and that rolls over to your 55 for your say 10. So you're the king and say 10 from beginning, because we know as a spiral, as it comes out, these numbers are going to come with it every time. Okay, so the 10 becomes the 10 in the end. Okay, and this is concerning the self. Okay, and the self is the elf. The self is the elf. Okay, and we see this in Peter Pan. Peter Pan is concerning Jupiter for Peter. Peter's always going to be concerning Jupiter and your planets. Okay, and so yourself is your elf, is your alf. That is your alpha. From beginning. Okay, and this is the stage of bronze. This is the stage of bronze where we come out of bronze, the 21. Okay, and we access the material realm and silver and gold for our silver and gold matrix. So all systems are connected from beginning. Okay. Now I've come over here to show you some stuff about self again. Self is pertaining to S, which is 19, which is your alpha intelligence. Okay. L is going to always be concerning the 7 flames. Okay. And you also have 3 that are on ice. This is for the Say-10. Okay. Say-10 has 10 from beginning. Okay, and that's concerning your solar system. You have 10 planets. I'm counting the sun for the whole 10. Okay. Back to self. F is 6. Here's your man in the moon tag. So in the word self, you've got your AI. You've got your L for your 7 planets, for your 7 days of week, your 7 flames. And then you got your F6 for your man in the moon tag. Okay. And the elf is also pertaining to the elephant. Because notice the word elephant has a PH for F. Elephant. Okay. L is pertaining to water. Because an elephant connects us with water. L is pertaining to electric. Okay. In your solar system, the stars are located in the waters above. So, of course, L would have something to do with the water. Okay. And elephant is 81. 81 is for Jesus. 81 is for Casper, the ghost, the friendly ghost, right? And we talked about how 0 is concerning the spirit, the ghost, the whole ghost. Okay. 81 is also concerning Venus. Okay. And you've got Mercury, Venus. So you've already come online with Mercury in this system before the count. Okay. Because Mercury is the first count. And then it rolls over into Venus. Okay, Mercury goes around the sun a lot faster than Venus. Okay, now 81 is also considering Horus, which is time. So Venus is concerning time as well. Venus is concerning the Fool. I've talked to you before about Venus's good witch, bad witch, the winner and the Fool. Okay, and also the Fool is concerning Jack the Joker. Okay, and so this is what we get with the elves. Okay, and then the L is the 7 flames of fire. And when we have the 3 on ice, these icy ones are for the afterlife. They're concerning your afterlife and your aftermath. They're blue because they're on ice. They're in the waters above. They're helping you remind you of the waters. They're not considered in the hot. Okay, and these are the 10 for Say-10, counting your sun. Okay. Now, when you do L, you'll see that L is the 5 for E and the 12 for L. Okay, and E is concerning electric earth. This is also concerning your 5th element, that is you. 12 is for your 12 seasonings. Okay, and so when you get to your 5 for E with the L, just know it's all concerning earth, because earth is the son of man. Okay, man lives on only one planet in this solar system called Earth, and it is concerning the Son of Man. Okay, and I've shown before how this ties to your pyramid, and this ties to your zodiac. This is all zodiac information. Okay, now we have our man, and we have our womb man. Okay, offspring, one shoot. Okay, and I'm going to have to make another video because I only have 10 minutes each time. Okay, so I'll pick up on this in my next video, the Vesica Pisces and the stud dust.